3 things to take care of when you're picking up your fallen motorcycle. Do not rush and pick up your motorcycle. It might look very untidy and very unprofessional of you that you have fallen a motorcycle, but actually it's okay. You can drop a motorcycle and then pick it up. There are only 2 kinds of riders, who have fallen or who are about to fall. So don't worry, don't rush. When you're picking the motorcycle ground up, please make sure do not hurt your back. And how do you take care of that? Is by keeping your back straight. Please make sure that your back is always straight and the motorcycle is lifted up and behind and not just going up. When you're doing the complete squat, please make sure that the motorcycle is being lifted up by doing a complete squat and not by doing a half-baked walking. I've seen a lot of guys who are doing half walk, half squat, and in return they get an injury. So please make sure do not do half attempted exercises. With this, please make sure that if you have fallen, you will get back and you will ride along. So enjoy the ride. Thank you.